Alright, y'all. What we got on the menu for tonight is homemade quesadillas. And I took some, I'm making beef, and then I'm going to make chicken quesadillas too, so everybody can have what they want. What I got cooking right here is the steaks. I just bought some steaks at Walmart, and I sliced them into strips. I took a can of tomatoes and poured it in there, and I took a fresh, nice sized garlic clove. Oh no, ask Caleb. I added some pepper, a little bit of salt, and some seasoning salt, and I'm gonna let that cook up real good. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit too, because I think it's a little too high. And let that cook, and then I'm gonna get the chicken ready, and I'll show you the next step. Oh, and this is the cheese I'm using. I haven't tried this before, but it's La Morenita Manchego part skim milk melting cheese, which I think is okay to use for quesadillas. Alrighty, I'm gonna let this cook up, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, y'all, you can see I got the chicken for the chicken quesadillas. I got a can of tomatoes, and I got an onion, which I'm not gonna add the onion till last. And I'm gonna take this and add the chicken to the pan. Watch me try to do it. Alright, and we take that and add it in there. And the pan should be a little hotter, but I just turned it on. So. And then you just go ahead and dump the tomatoes in there. And it's whatever kind of tomatoes you want to use. You can use fresh if you want to, or just like this. And you let that get good and hot and start stirring it around. And then we'll take 1 clove of garlic and mix it up really good and add it to that, and then add salt and pepper and a little of this, oh, I've had that forever, seasoning salt, Lowry's seasoned salt, or whatever kind you like. You can add fajita seasoning, but I just like to go natural with it, so I add my own seasonings. So you see the meat is there cooking. I've turned it down a little bit and covered it. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this off and chop up the garlic and add it to it. And then we'll go on to another step. Alright, there's my minced garlic, and I use the same cutting board. You know, it's all going to get cooked anyway, so anyhow, that's the garlic. I just minced it up real good, and I'll probably give it another chop, chop, chop with the butcher knife, just to make sure it's good and minced. You can see the pan's heating up nice. Alrighty. Alright, y'all, we still got the chicken and the steak cooking for the quesadillas. I wanted to come in and show you, I've already cut up the meat into little like 1-inch cubes. And I mean the meat. Did I say the meat? I meant the cheese. And I'll probably use it all, so I cut all of it up. And I'm going to let this cook. I did go ahead and add onions to the steak, but I'm probably not going to add into the chicken because Daisy likes those and she's not crazy about onions. So anyway, when it cooks up and I'm ready to get it done, I'll come back and show you what to do next. Got this, the steak is done, the chicken is done, got the cheese out. What I'm going to do is take the little tortillas, put a couple cubes of cheese in there, and got this pan heating up. I'm going to put them in there, give them a couple of flips, and then we'll be ready to eat. Alright, this is a chicken quesadilla, and I just took some of the cubes and tore them up because they were a little big, so I put them in there, and I'm going to fold it up. You don't even need to grease this pan. You don't want to grease this pan. Just, can y'all turn that down? Just get it at a good medium heat, and put your tortilla, your taco on it that you've made. Let it warm up, and then give it a flip a couple of times to get that cheese melted. Get it nice put together. Alright, you see this quesadilla is just about ready. I've flipped it a couple of times, but what I'm going to do is give it another flip. See how it's browned a little bit there on top. That's what you want. Get that cheese melted in there, and that's all you do. And you serve it with like a side of guacamole or some pico de gallo or something like that. You've got a nice little meal. Alright, y'all, there's the finished product. I got my avocado, my pickled jalapeno peppers, and my 3 steak quesadillas. What do you think, Julio?
It's good.
Is it good? Is it good, y'all?
Yeah. Mama, can I have a piece of that?
Yeah, I'll cut you a piece of that.
I'll just take this.
See what you got. Okay, go ahead. How is it, Josh?
Really freaking good.
Really freaking good. Caleb, Daisy, what you think? All right.